What's up, YouTube? Jeff from the Graph Life. Gonna open up this hanger box from Target of 2018 Topps Update. I'm gonna do one box. I have another one, but I'll do another video for the second one. Here's what we got. We got Get Off My Base. Jordan Hicks, rookie. Tyler Wade, rookie. Hector the Collector, Santiago. Blake Trinan. Kirby Yates. Mitch Haniger. Sean Doolittle. Alex Bregman. Archie Bradley. Jose Altuve. Tyler Skaggs. Joey Votto. Jake Odorizzi. Austin Gomber, rookie. I'm not sure if this is a... Okay, no, this isn't a variation, but it looks like a variation of Ichiro. Oh, the one I was looking for, Juan Soto. So that's awesome to get that. Jay Bruce. Freddie Freeman. Mark Reynolds. Nick Markakis. Ian Kinsler. Jacob deGrom. Nick Kingham. Alex Bregman. Jonathan VR. Christian Arroyo. Ketel Marte. Eugenio Suarez. Corey Dickerson. Mookie Betts. Jason Vargas. Trevor Story. Devin Mesoraco. Ryan Yarbrough, rookie. Shin-Soo Choo. Adam Duvall. Ronald Guzman, rookie. Here is a gold out of 2018 Ildemaro Vargas. Game Changers, Wilson Contreras. Tommy Pham. Refractor. Harper. Insert there. Here's the second one. We got Storybook Endings. Chipper Jones. Dylan Bundy. Legends in the Making, Jose Barrios. Legends in the Making, Walker Buehler. Zach Britton. Taylor Davis. Daniel Gossett, rookie. Kenley Jansen. Jesus Aguilar. Justin Verlander. Brad Ziegler. Adam Engel. Felipe Vasquez, also known as Felipe Rivero. Matt Adams. Here's one for the Phillies collection. Jesmil Valentin, Mitch Walding. Eric Hosmer. This one's cool. Japan's Finest, Otani and Ichiro. Chris Stratton, rookie. Nelson Cruz. Max Scherzer. Austin Meadows, rookie. Willie Adames, rookie. Carson Kelly. Jordan Hicks, rookie debut. Here's another one for the Phillies collection. Carlos Santana. Danny Farquhar. Paxton throws a no-no. And Ross Stripling. So, not a bad hanger box there. I'm happy with it. Not sure. I mean, this has the same, I believe, number. Let me just check the number here. Yeah. So, not a short print here. Looks like it should be a short print because it looks like a different angle of everything, but not a short print. That's just how it is. But the best cards that I got out of it was Chipper Jones, Storybook Endings for the Hall of Fame collection, Japan's Finest, and a Juan Soto rookie. So pretty happy with that. I have a second one to open up in another video. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. And as always, like, comment, subscribe.